This is not gold. It is not diamond. It does not sparkle, yet it touches your life every single day. It is in your paper, your paint, your medicine, your car, your phone, even your skin. It is the softest mineral on Earth, yet it holds one of the hardest truths in geology. This is talc, a stone born from fire, pressure, and water, a mineral shaped deep inside the Earth's crust, and a substance whose quiet presence changed industry, culture, and controversy. This is the geological story of talc, from its ancient formation to modern extraction, from sacred rituals to global manufacturing, and the hidden cost behind a powder that feels harmless. What is talc? Talc is a hydrous magnesium silicate. Its chemical formula is mg/OH. It is so soft that it defines the Mohs hardness scale. Talc is number 1. You can scratch it with a fingernail. You can crush it into dust with ease. Yet despite its softness, talc survives immense geological violence. How talc is born. Talc does not form in magma. It is not a volcanic crystal. Talc is born through transformation. The ultramafic origin. Deep within the Earth's crust lie rocks rich in magnesium and iron, ultramafic rocks. These rocks once formed part of Earth's mantle. They rise upward through tectonic collision and mountain building. But talc only forms when 3 forces meet: heat, pressure, water, metamorphism, stone that changes identity. When ultramafic rocks encounter water-rich fluids under pressure, their minerals begin to rearrange. Olivine becomes serpentine. Serpentine becomes talc. This process occurs deep underground, often in ancient mountain belts. Talc is therefore a metamorphic mineral, a record of Earth reshaping itself. Major talc-forming environments include subduction zones, orogenic belts, altered carbonate rocks. This process takes millions of years. Where talc is found. Talc is distributed across every continent. Major producers include China, India, Brazil, United States, France, Italy. Geologically, talc is often found with marble, dolomite, serpentinite. These associations tell geologists a story. Talc is a mineral of collision, pressure, and water. Exploration, finding talc. Unlike gold or oil, talc exploration is subtle. It has no bright color, no obvious signal. Geologists rely on geological mapping, rock chemistry, structural analysis, core drilling. They look for high purity, low iron content, minimal asbestos contamination. Because talc's usefulness depends not on how much you find, but on how clean it is. Mining the softest stone. Talc mining is usually done by open pit methods. The rock is drilled, blasted, crushed, milled into powder. Because talc is soft, it requires less energy than most industrial minerals. But this softness hides a danger. In some geological settings, talc occurs near asbestos-forming minerals. Separating them is critical, and not always perfect. Ancient uses of talc. Humans have used talc for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations. Ancient Egyptians used talc in cosmetics, carvings, Chinese cultures carved talc into ritual objects, decorative stone. Indigenous societies used talc as paint, lubricant, healing powder. Talc was valued because it felt smooth, cool, pure. It symbolized cleanliness. Talc and the Industrial Revolution. When machines arrived, talc found new purpose. Its properties made it ideal for industry. Heat-resistant, chemically inert, electrically insulating, extremely smooth. Factories consumed talc by the ton. It entered paper manufacturing, ceramics, rubber, paint, plastics. Talc reduced friction, improved strength, enhanced durability. It became invisible infrastructure. Talc in modern manufacturing. Paper. Talc improves smoothness, ink absorption, brightness. Ceramics. Used in tiles, sanitary ware, electrical insulators, plastics and automobiles. Talc reinforces plastics in car dashboards, bumpers, interior panels. It reduces weight while increasing stiffness. Every modern car carries talc. Talc in medicine and cosmetics. Talc's softness made it ideal for the human body. It absorbs moisture, reduces friction, soothes skin. Used in baby powder, makeup, medical tablets, surgical gloves. For decades, talc was trusted. Then geology returned to the conversation. Talc and asbestos. Some talc deposits form near asbestos minerals. Geologically, this is not accidental. They share similar environments. When talc is poorly processed, asbestos fibers may remain. This connection sparked global lawsuits, fear, and regulation. The mineral itself is not the villain, but its geological neighbors matter. Talc became a lesson. Geology cannot be ignored. Regulation and modern standards. Today, cosmetic talc is heavily regulated. Pharmaceutical talc must meet strict purity levels. Many companies switch to cornstarch alternatives. Yet industrial talc demand continues to rise, because no synthetic material fully replaces its properties. Environmental impact. Talc mining effects. Landscapes. Water systems. Dust levels. Though less destructive than metal mining, its footprint is permanent. Mountains flattened. Valleys filled. The earth always remembers. The geological irony. Talc forms through heat, pressure, water, time. Millions of years of transformation. Used in seconds. A mineral shaped by tectonic violence to create softness in human hands. Talc does not shine. It does not roar. Yet it carries the memory of mountains. From Earth's deep crust to the surface of human skin. Talc reminds us that even the softest things are born from immense force. And every mineral has a story, whether we notice it or not. If you found this documentary educational or interesting, like the video, share it, and subscribe to the Geologic Lens. Because the Earth is not silent, we simply have to listen to what it has to tell us.